Hey guys, welcome to my video. On today's video, guys, we're finally started since the Volvo is back. We're gonna be taking off these wheels, painting them a different color, and this Volvo is finally gonna have white wall tires. So guys, since I don't have any jack stands, the car is now sitting in pieces of wood. Here's the tires. Now it's time to take off the tires. So the tires are still good, but we need to take everything off. And yeah, I'm gonna put everything away so it won't be a mess, because now we're gonna take off those tires. These Volvo hubcaps, I'm gonna clean the middle out of them, and hopefully they'll be nice and shiny. So time on to move to the next part. So guys, I sanded them down the best I could, and I washed them. Now I'm blowing them off. Alright guys, put two coats of paint on the top of these wheels. They're looking nice. The hubcaps, of course, gonna be covering most of it. But here's the interesting fact. Here's the hubcap. So I had to put masking tape and cut it out with a knife to cover to not paint over the Volvo album. These are chrome hubcaps. I don't know what this is. This does not come off of anything. I'm afraid to sand it down because it's gonna scratch up all the chrome. So we're just gonna paint these centers black. We put old masking tape everywhere, so now we're just gonna be painting them black. All right guys, so here they are sitting on the shelf where they're gonna be curing for, I want to say, about a month. No, I'm just kidding, about a week. Today is Saturday. I got work on Monday morning, so when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and install them later. They got to cure for a week because I don't want the edge to come off when they're putting on the wheels, or the tires actually. All right guys, so as you can see, that's what the hubcaps look. I'm gonna buff them up and stuff and fix them probably a little bit, but they look cool and sick with the black in the center. So has to sit for about a week now, so you can get it all cured here. And when it's gonna be finished, it's gonna be good to go. So gonna wait a couple days now. Well guys, got the tires and the wheels, and now I'm gonna head into a tire shop to get them installed. That's a sneak peek right there. Well guys, they're back on. Now I gotta put the hubcaps on, and then I have to what do you call, wash them. Well, there you have it guys, hubcaps and everything on. She looking real clean now. Officially has white wall tires on there. Looking real nice. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2006. Turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.